Hi, in this video I will talk about the main ideas from the videos. Remember two videos and some suggestions to improve the use of technology in the classroom. First, or number one, the videos explain that using ICT in the classroom has many benefits. Technology helps teachers and students save time and work with less effort. It also allows us to store information and share different types of content. In addition, ICT tools help students work in groups and make the teaching learning process more participatory and enjoyable. There are also many types of devices and applications that can be used in the classroom to support learning. However, there are also some contrasts. One video, inspired by Thomas Edison idea, shows that some teachers still resist using technology. Many teachers prefer to continue using traditional methods. But this situation may happen because oral lack of motivation, lack of knowledge about digital tools, or because some teachers don't consider technology important for education. Now, to improve the use of ICT in the classroom, a school should use technologies that help teachers teach better and more easily. Mm. Teachers should also include technology in their lesson planning because it improves student learning. In addition, teachers should not be afraid of using open source technologies since they are often safe, stable, and affordable. Finally, online educational portfolios are very useful tools because they allow students to shape and show their academic work and help teachers evaluate their progress. Even though educational standards can help organize teaching, limited funding is still a challenge for adopting educational technology. Bye bye and thank you.